Switch Accounts Obsidian. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, launch the Obsidian desktop app and open the vault you want to use with your account settings. Wait for the workspace to finish loading completely before making any changes. Once the vault is ready, navigate to the bottom left corner of the interface and click the gear icon to open the settings menu. After the settings window appears, take a moment to review the available options and find the General section from the sidebar. Open the General settings and locate the Your Account option, which contains information about the currently connected Obsidian account. Check the account details shown on the page and confirm which email address is currently signed in. If you want to change to a different account, locate the Logout button and click it to disconnect the active session. Wait patiently while Obsidian removes the current account connection and returns the account section to the login state. After the logout process is completed, click the login button that appears in the same area. A new login window will open, allowing you to enter the email address connected to your other Obsidian account. Carefully type the correct email address and continue by entering the password for that account. Make sure the information is accurate before proceeding to avoid login issues. After entering your details, click the login button to continue with the authentication process. Wait for a few moments while Obsidian verifies your credentials and connects the new account. Once the login process finishes, confirm that the new account is active by checking the information displayed in the Your Account section. Review the updated account details and make sure the correct profile is now connected. You can now continue working inside Obsidian using the newly selected account without needing to reopen your vault. Switching accounts this way is useful when managing multiple Obsidian profiles or different synchronization setups. Always check the account information after switching to ensure your notes and settings are connected to the intended profile. This helps prevent confusion and keeps your Obsidian workspace organized while using multiple accounts.